how to set up, use, and maintain the RYOBI 18V 1+ pool vacuum. Included in the box is the pool vacuum, floor head, mesh filter, and pleated filter. Your configuration may include the pool vacuum only or have a battery and charger. Now let's get your pool vacuum set up and ready to use. Your vacuum will come with a floor head that is ideal for dirt and sand. You may use the vacuum without the floor head for larger debris like leaves. To install the floor head onto the vacuum, slide it onto the vacuum until you hear it lock into place. Press the tab to remove if needed. Insert your RYOBI 18V 1+ battery into the vacuum and close the battery door by securing the latches. This battery door is IPX8 rated, meaning it can be submerged in up to 13 feet of water. To reach the bottom of your pool, you can attach any standard pool pole to the vacuum by aligning the holes on the pool pole with the locking pins on the vacuum. This pool vacuum can also be used without a pole for cleaning your pool stairs, hot tubs, etc. If you're cleaning a hot tub, ensure the water is at an ambient temperature before submerging the vacuum into the water. Ensure your filter is secure before your first use. Now that your pool vacuum is set up, let's put it to use to clean your pool, hot tub, or spa. Begin by turning on the pool vacuum using the power button under the handle. For best results, move the vacuum forward along your pool floor in a smooth motion for sustained suction. Multiple passes may be required to clean all the debris. This pool vacuum must be fully submerged in at least 8 inches of water for use and can be used up to 13 feet deep. Depending on how much debris you're cleaning, you may need to empty the tank during use. Now that you're done using your pool vacuum, follow these quick and easy steps to keep your vacuum running at peak performance. First, remove your 18V 1+ battery and ensure that it is stored away from any water or moisture. Ensure your battery door is closed and latched to avoid water exposure during storage. Next, remove the tank by pressing the button on the top of the handle and remove the filter system. To empty the tank, dump your debris in any desired location and rinse off the tank for storage. Your vacuum features a dual filtration system that includes a mesh filter and pleated filter. Remove the pleated filter by twisting it to the unlock position. Both filters should be rinsed after use to remove any debris. Insert the pleated filter back into place and twist to the lock position. Place the filtration system back into your tank and place it onto your pool vacuum. You'll know it's secure when you hear it lock. For ultimate convenience, you can store your vacuum on a RYOBI link wall rail. If you're experiencing a lack of suction, check for the following possible causes. Ensure your pool vacuum is fully submerged in at least 8 inches of water. Empty debris out of the vacuum tank often for best performance. Ensure both filters are clean before each use to avoid clogs. Charge your 18V 1+ battery before use. When using the floor head attachment, ensure the floor head is fully flush with the bottom of your pool to maintain suction power. To avoid water exposure to your battery and battery compartment, follow these guidelines. First, remove the battery when the vacuum is not in use. Do not open your battery compartment with wet hands or if the vacuum is wet. Do not expose the interior battery compartment to water or other liquids. After you've inserted your RYOBI battery and before use, always inspect the vacuum and sealed battery compartment for damage or cracks. A damaged battery compartment can allow water to enter the battery pack, causing property damage or serious personal injury. Move unit away from pools or wet areas before opening the battery compartment. For additional questions, call RYOBI customer service at 1-800-525-2579 or visit ryobitools.com.